G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 22 Winchelsea Street, in the popular beachside suburb of Pialba. We are actually easy walking distance to the beach and esplanade and only minutes away from the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD. It's a lovely home with plenty to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This inner suburban oasis is all about the lifestyle. It's private, solid and secure. Immaculate and beautifully presented in this highly sought after beachside suburb of Pialba, centrally located, close to everything that does make Hervey Bay great. Tastefully refurbished throughout with an array of quality appointments, sleek aesthetics and an open light-filled design, you'll enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that create something special with an intuitive and creative floor plan. There is definitely more than meets the eye with this home, with an abundance of space to entertain with family and friends all year round. The stylish kitchen really does form the heart of this home and includes ample bench space for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and special occasions. Sleek cabinetry and storage plus high quality appliances including an induction cooktop, range hood and dishwasher makes this kitchen a pleasure to prepare and cook in. Enjoy the calming atmosphere that comes with utilising the spaces perfectly throughout this lovely home, with vast interior living areas and a large outdoor alfresco entertaining area overlooking the centrepiece of this home with that sparkling in-ground pool. The ideal place for relaxing at the end of a long day or hosting an array of life events. The main bedroom includes a lavish ensuite with built-in wardrobe and sunroom, which takes advantage of that lovely outlook across the pool and established tropical gardens. A further 2 bedrooms all include built-in wardrobes and are serviced by their main bathroom and toilet. Staying cool over the warmer summer months will be a breeze, with reverse cycle split system air conditioning in the main bedroom as well as the second bedroom and main living areas. This home also includes remote ceiling fans and security screens on all the doors and windows. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the tandem carport at the entry, which does allow covered entry directly into the home and drive-through access to the triple bay shed at the rear. The owners have committed to selling this beautiful home and are looking for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.